manje 2026 ungakhonzi ungumama unabantwana uthemeni. When you wake up ekuseni abantwana uyakulaba abantwana baya esikoleni bayavuka uthandazi bayadla uthandazi bayalala uthandazi abomakhelwane bayisontela unandaba wena ushaya ispeaker high volume uhlalisha ingoma ethi uzothola kanjani uhlale emkholeni wena umphelezile awunandaba.
Hallelujah.
Akanandaba. They don't care, they don't serve God. People come and go. You don't care. Mama, you don't have a vision. Where are the children going to be? Sasa na bakula labantwana. Baba mathak. Baba ma drug dealer. Baba ma drug addict. Baba ma rapist. Baba ma prostitute. Baba ma lesbian. Baba magaya, bayenza ama-abortion, bayatshontsha, bayabulala, bayathakatha, baba yonke lento bese umbuzo uthi check the root cause. Beka lapho makhona bese barealize nababhekile nature uma bakhona never wanted to see God, uma bakhona never wanted to see God. They don't care. Labantwana nabakhula, they grow up out of